Wow! Birthday sa'yo. Wow!
And you read who it's from first.
Sina Teresa.
Ay.
Gusto nilang iwi ulam.
Alin?
Kung ano yung gusto nyo iwi, manang kayo na magsabi.
Gavin, is your fasting?
Uy, patay na yun yan.
Why is this?
Just open that one. Ano sabi ni Itik at Dawit?
Uwi ba kayo?
Another bag!
This is for guys.
Wow! Use it for church. You can use it for church. You can use it for church.
When you go to the mall, like that.
Para magtagpasan sila na. Hindi mo kano gusto nilang ulam na manang ang gusto yung dali.
No, there's no tape. It's double-sided tape. Whoa, what is this?
Ba't hindi rin siya sa
What happened this one?
We have a church now. All I can hear in the background is Eva whining and whining.
nag-flex na ba siya?
Wait until your next birthday party.
Sister ko, hindi naman sa
Ito may gift naman ng birthday niya. Yeah, we have a lot of gifts for you, remember?
When your birthday, you
One more.
have so many gifts, di ba?
Ooh, what's that?
Oh,
From Eva.
Giovanna.
Okay, put your gift